In the earlier lectures, we talked about the process of change of the English language. A language does not develop or change suddenly, but is a product of centuries of growth. Most languages are in a continued state of change, with some elements being added and some being lost. The English language has been in the state of change for the past 15 years. Slight changes in the sound system in speech can lead to massive changes over time in pronunciation and spellings. In the process of understanding the history of the English language, it is essential to trace the origin of the English language. It is believed that the English language belongs to the Indo-European family of languages. The Indo-European family of languages is a family that is contained in the Indo-European geographical context. In order to see the similarity of English with the other members of the Indo-European language family, we shall discuss some of these languages in the next lectures.